Imagine a moment when the whole world pauses. When millions of hearts connect as one, when people everywhere turn inward together. On December 21st, we invite you to join a special global online meditation. Together, we connect through the heart. From every corner of the world, hearts unite, creating a wave of peace that touches us all. It takes just a few minutes to discover something deeper within yourself. A few minutes to meditate with millions around the world. December 21st, one world, one heart, one moment of peace.